The original seat for the 1975 Caprice. I did not recover it. Just cleaned it up with a toothbrush. I get in the grain. Still got some spots I may try to hit one more time. But for an original seat, she's held up pretty good. Here's the rest of it I did. Did change the wind lace on the convertible top to a brighter white. Clean the door jambs, and I see that was dripping there. Clean the door panels. New carpet. Threw the old floor mats, original floor mats back in there for him. I don't know what he wants to do with them. So I'll just have to bolt the seat and the seat belts down. Speaking of seat belts, that's the only flaw left on the interior really. Some sun fading here. So I'm going to try to track down the correct color of spray dye. If not, I can have some custom mix to match. It's kind of a greenish blue. Same thing for the kick panels, even though he's upgrading this later. He'll be back. Do a radio and a small console, and he's got some spare kick panels that he wants to build speaker pods on. Possibly. There's your two problems for doing that idea. I cleaned all this. See, he has some drips going on here from the top. That was perfectly clean. It rained yesterday, last 2 days. So I wipe that off again. I touched up these panels. They were faded yellow. I took these panels completely out and cleaned them. The edge of my carpet. Straightened this out best I could and polished it. Still has some nicks from the door panel or something. Probably seat belt laying out over, retracted out, getting stuck in there and door shut on it, who knows. Alright. So not a whole lot, just a real good cleaning and a carpet install. And that wind lace on the convertible top. Here, I'll show you. I'll give you a sneak peek at the next video. What I'll show for the Jeep. Got it tore down to the metal, all but the dash and door panels. And here's the pattern. Factory had that too. It's a hell of a dip. So these are flawless in my eyes. Came out just like better than the factory actually. I'll probably lay out some with the heat though. Nice material. Nice soft vinyl. Painted all the hardware, all the tracks. Took seat belts off. Cleaned all the gunk out of every nook and cranny. I didn't paint these. I normally don't. You know it wouldn't be a bad idea. But I did take an air hose and blew all the dog hair and dust and chunks of foam stuck in there. Next I have to repair the foam. And this car will get a dark burgundy carpet to match the insert. So that'll bring some more burgundy into the job, which should hopefully tie these colors together a little better. Dash and door panels, and of course back seat will match as far as the percentage of colors in each part. Alright, thanks for watching, fam. I might just YouTube kicked me away from my hobbies, it feels like. I gotta check up on the COPA Act and see what actually come about with it. Got an old model car back out. Last time I worked on that was this time last year. Alright, peace. See you on the next one. Talk to you on the next one. God bless.